Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to install the plugin TrueBend. With that, basically, what we can do is we can actually bend the whole objects that are in 3D in SketchUp. So it is very simple. We are going to go to Chrome. Simply, we type TrueBend SketchUp plugin free download, and on the official extension warehouse website of Trimble SketchUp, you will get it for free. You have to simply press on download, and then in a few seconds the extension will be downloaded. You can just simply check it on your downloading history, which is right over here. So right over here it has been done. After seeing that, what we'll do is we'll go to our SketchUp. Under the option of extension, we will go to extension manager. Under the extension manager, we will press on install extension, and under the downloads we have our TrueBend plugin, which we will double click on it and it will get downloaded and installed in SketchUp. So as you can see it over here, the TrueBend plugin is downloaded. We will simply place it in our plugin right over here, and this is how you simply install TrueBend in SketchUp. So this is how easy it is to install TrueBend in SketchUp. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it.